Okay, so it's Sunday the 9th. As I said the other day, I'm going to move up to Cosgrove tomorrow. I just want to show you a little something. If I can get the door shut then. You see where I moored up in the last video? On the long line, end of a long line of boats. I was out walking the dogs, and I like to walk the dogs well away from other dogs. There's Bess. You see those boats over there? You've seen before in the other video. I'll just show you something interesting. Yeah, check out this little pipe. You'll see why in a minute. Try not to break my neck. So that pipe comes down here. This is rather cool actually. It's not the reason I'm making a video though, but I'm not going to bother going down it, but it's another tunnel. This is cool because that is the entrance to the private moorings you just saw over the other side of the canal. Imagine having that as your the way into your residence. So I took the dogs down here, thinking this just went down to the river and there wasn't much here. Oh, it's nice and muddy and slippery. Now look at this. An old engine. 2-cylinder. There's the camshaft. Oh, it's got some numbers on there. I didn't notice them the other day. There's some other numbers, but I can't get the see what they are. No, it's some flywheel. And then there's this corrugated part. So I reckon, well, I don't know for sure, but they must have maybe used this to fill the canal up. So that pipe must go down into the, I would assume it comes down here and into the river at some point. So maybe they just left this here after it done its job. I mean, you can imagine how hard that would have been to get down here and move around. It's a hell of a lump. Let's just see if I can get down here a bit, because maybe not, I might fall in, but I'll try it. It's rather overgrown. Ah, I didn't notice this either. Hey, look at that. That must be the part of the pump. Yeah. Oh, you're discovering something with me then, because I never noticed this. I've been down here a couple of times. Oh, and there's the pipe. Yeah, the pipe comes through here. Down into the water, so maybe they filled up the canal using this. I told you I'd take you with me when I discovered things. Well, this is genuinely, I didn't know this bit was here. I've never risked life and limb coming down this bit. So there you go, just a quickie. I'm gonna go, well, I keep saying that, go through Cosgrove Lock tomorrow. And actually Cosgrove itself, there is, I've brought my van up to the car park and there really isn't anything in Cosgrove, just a few houses, so there's not much point in me making a video of it. There's a nice bridge though, I'll get on video, and I'll get the car park and where we empty the rubbish and stuff like that. And I'll show you that I went out and bought a generator yesterday. Quite a good one. It looks a bit rough, but I bought it off a couple of old country boys. And 150 quid. But it's a 6 kVA, so it will it'll run my welder quite well. So I might video me trying to get that on the back of the boat. That's going to be fun. I've not quite worked out how I'm going to do it because it's a hell of a lump. Anyway, I'll catch you up tomorrow.